Well, we managed to get our one night here, luckily. Just snagged a night here at Rathtrevor. Got our one night in, and now we got to take off for a couple of days and go park somewhere else and come back in 2 days or so and grab some more days that we got available here. And just booked up for the weekend is all. And yeah, it's interesting though. The weather is definitely changing now. It's that time of year. We had a very light smattering of rain overnight. You might be able to tell, but yeah, it's clearing up and getting better. It's back and forth constantly these days. It's like a little cloud, a little rain, a lot of sunshine. Yeah, but so I pulled out of the campsite here and I was ready to hit the road, and I actually forgot my camera tripod. I had to actually walk back and get it. So yeah, we're hitting the road. We're heading out of here, out of Rathtrevor. Gonna go somewhere else, not even sure where. Let's just go and play it by ear and see what we come up with, okay? All right, let's get out of here and just move on. Right, girls? Right, girls, let's move on. Get up. Get up. Nobody told you to get out. Boy, oh boy, you girls are really getting out of control. Really? Really? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, move over. I want to get in. I want to get in. Get. So there we are in the seawall in Qualicum Beach again. This is great. This is great. Lucky to find a spot along here. Wasn't that a cool, nice drive along the seawall there on the way up here, driving into the sunset? Wasn't that great? Oh, this is excellent. So this is where we're probably camping out tonight since there's a spot available. We got everything we need for overnight, so that's cool. Awesome. Awesome, eh? That's fantastic. Check it out. Check it out, eh? Isn't that awesome? That's fantastic. And you see we got a neighbor over here in an RV there behind us. Don't know how long they've been there, and it doesn't really matter. But I guess they look like they're staying for the night as well. Possibly. Who knows? But isn't this a gorgeous view for the evening to go to sleep by? And the sun goes down. We got beautiful sunsets. And it looks like we'll probably have another one tonight. But isn't that a gorgeous place to camp out? Right along a seawall like this with a beautiful view. Nice, fresh, clean ocean air. Yeah. It clears your sinuses and everything. Yeah. But that's fantastic, eh? So, yeah. This is our next stop for tonight. Maybe tomorrow night. I don't know. We never know. We never know. I got to keep remembering to turn the camera the right way so I don't blind you and you get a better view. Anyway, this is it for tonight, so we'll just see you in the next clip, okay? Ciao. Get down. Come on. Yeah, so this is really great spot here down by the beach, eh? can see part of it, but I'm going to be looking forward to the sunset tonight and the sunrise tomorrow. It's going to be gorgeous, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But the thing is, I'm positive that this will be we'll just stay here one night because tomorrow night is the turkey night. So we're going to have turkey dinner tomorrow night. So that's basically pretty much in Whiskey Creek. So I'll probably go there, have dinner and that, and it'll probably be fairly dark once we've done dinner and sat around and chat for a while. So I'll probably just head around the corner like 2 minutes and go into Whiskey Creek again, park there for one night, and then go back to either Rathtrevor or somewhere else. I'm not sure where, but yeah. So this is cool, eh? Down by the beach, and tomorrow night's turkey night. So hope you're looking forward to a really nice turkey dinner, awesome, delicious one. Anyway, I gotta get on with feeding the girls. I've made them a steak, so they're gonna have some really good beef, and then I'll feed myself, and then we'll just chill out for the night. And maybe if you're lucky, you can help watch the sun go down tonight, the sunset. Yeah, awesome. Okay, talk to you soon. Ciao. Isn't that such a gorgeous, beautiful view out my window here? This is a good choice to come down to the beach here and just park for the night. Fantastic. Gonna love sleeping here and waking up, going to sleep and waking up with the sound of the surf kind of thing. It's gonna be awesome, just awesome. This is fantastic. You just gotta love it, right? You just gotta love it. Oh my God, so I'm gonna go and sit and just stare at this sunset. Gorgeous. My, what a beautiful, beautiful sun-setting sky, huh? Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, so why don't you stop talking and just sit there and stare at it for a while? Okay, tally ho.